That sculpture's parterre, 2013 I think I made it. By that time I was making sculptures that were made from an idea of cutting forms out of a flat plate and bending them into 3 dimensions. So that was the result of that. Wasn't a matter of adding or subtracting material, it was a matter of using a whole sheet and moving it up, because wherever there's one part of the cut, there's also the opposite part of the cut, and so all the parts somehow contain it, become unified, even though they're expanded out of the form. So the idea of the cut and fold technique is worked out for me a way of getting away from the usual constructed style of sculpture, where you add pieces, weld them on, add, take away, add, until you get what you want. This sculpture in Australia is made of pieces that are flat steel cut shapes that are actually slotted together. So it's not welded into one piece. So it's like a flat pack. Take it apart, move it around, put it back together. It's a difficult job putting it back together, but you know, that's the way I made it. I made a few of them like that back around the 2000s. One of them was commissioned by the Victorian Bar, Dixon Chambers in Melbourne. So so they were a successful lot. They're all sold, I think.